Hello everyone and welcome to some tech news. Today we will be talking about easily sharing files between Android and Windows, rumors on Sony's next handheld, Steam Deck sales, and more. So let's get to it. Google recently released a beta for Windows computers to easily share files with Android devices. This is done using Android's Nearby Share feature. With your Android device, you will then be able to wirelessly share photos, video, music, and documents wirelessly to a Windows PC running Windows 10 or 11. Your Windows computer will need to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for this to work. The devices also have to be nearby, within 16 feet or 5 meters. This is a feature that's been needed for a long time, but I would also like to see versions developed for macOS and Linux. Many news outlets are reporting on a rumor that Sony is working on a new handheld. This handheld will not run its own games, but instead be dedicated to remote play. This means that it will be able to stream the games on your PlayStation to the device. Called the Q Lite, it's set to have a 1080p touchscreen for 60 frames per second gaming and will have adaptive triggers. It's difficult to see a market for this, and the initial reaction to this device is not good. However, if the price is right and the device could also be used as an extra PlayStation controller, it could be a nice peripheral to have next to your PlayStation. Is this handle something that you would be interested in? Let me know in the comments. The 7800X3D is being reported by many news outlets as the best gaming CPU you can buy now, beating out offerings from Intel and even other higher-end AMD offerings. Why would a higher-end AMD CPU perform worse than the 7800X3D? It all has to do with how the CPU cores are spread out on the chip. On the 7900X3D and the 7950X3D, the CPU cores are spread over two chiplet dies. One die has a 3D V cache that can enhance gaming performance, and the other chiplet dies offers higher boost clocks. With this setup, the operating system has a difficult time assigning which die an application should run on, so performance can suffer if it runs on the less optimal die. And there can also be performance decreases if there's constant data transfers between the two dies. So users with these chips will have to disable half the cores for games to ensure only the ones with the 3D V caches are used. Doing this will turn a 7900X3D chip from a 12-core CPU to a 6-core CPU, which is fewer cores than the 7800X3D. On the 7800X3D, however, there is only one chiplet die, so it does not have to worry about data cache misses between chiplet dies, and all the cores are using the 3D V cache. So gamers should really be going for the 7800X3D. However, content creators will still want to go for the higher core CPUs because they do offer performance benefits for content creation applications like video editors, code compiling, and more. Microsoft is ramping up its AI usage on its consumer products. In Microsoft Edge, you can now generate AI images powered by OpenAI's DALL-E models right from the Microsoft Edge sidebar. Microsoft also added Bing's AI chatbot to its Swift keyboard for Android. The integration is on the beta version of the keyboard. There are currently two AI options. You have the ability to change the quote-unquote tone of a phrase. Tones can be casual, polite, and social, or you can just chat with a bot right from the keyboard. Omdia, a research and consultancy firm, predicts that the Steam Deck sales will surpass 3 million units in 2023, up from 1.6 million in 2022. The report attributes the growth to the device's portability, affordability, and large library of compatible games. The Steam Deck is a handheld gaming PC that allows you to play your favorite Steam games on the go. It's portable, affordable, and has a large library of compatible games. While the sales will come nowhere near what Switch sales do, selling 3 million units on a niche device like the Steam Deck is still pretty impressive. So that's it for the news. I provided links to all my sources in the description. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and this bell icon so you can get notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.